All right, guys, James with OneHourSmartHome.com here, and one of the questions that we get a lot is, what transformer should you use with your Ring doorbell? Okay, so if you've got a Ring doorbell, Ring Pro 2 doorbell, or Ring regular doorbell, video doorbell, if you don't have any existing wiring and you're just going to hook this up, what you can use is this. This is a plug-in transformer. We've got the link below, and we've got some links to articles on how to do this. But if you don't have any kind of existing doorbell wiring, this is a great solution. Plugs in, then you plug it right into the back of your Ring doorbell, and you are good to go. Now, if you do have existing wiring, but your transformer is dead, and you don't want to use a plug-in transformer like so, okay, and I'll take this out, show you what it looks like. Basically, this is what you got here for the plug-in transformer. Just plug that right in, and then it's got two little connections there. So if you've got an existing transformer but it's not working, not providing enough power, the other option is to replace it with one of these hardwired transformers. You take off the old transformer, you put this thing in. Now, even if you have one of these, you still could just, for ease of use, one of these plug-in transformers and wire it up to your existing wiring. You're not going to have any issues with it. So what transformer should you use for your Ring doorbell, Ring Pro, or Ring 2 doorbell? Right here, we've got the links below, or you can read our articles on exactly how you can do this at OneHourSmartHome.com. And thank you for listening today.